Some people would shy away and say, "Well, I'd rather not say," but you guys did a great job with coming up with them. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think? I mean, I think that, personally, I think there's a pretty good parallel here with what the authors are saying versus what we saw in the chat. So you know what? Let's make this a quick poll. Give me a 1 if you agree that that the chat correctly identified what the author said, or give me a 0 if you think that there might be some other gaps or if you see it a different way. But generally speaking, I think that it deserves a 1, but give me a 1 or a 0 in the chat. All right, so Rex is voting with a 1. He thinks that we're pretty closely aligned with the authors. What do you guys think? Anybody else? All right, there's another couple 1s. Okay, yeah. So I think that we're in general alignment with what the authors are writing. Yeah. Okay. I'm seeing a lot of 1s in the chat, and I think you're right. I think that we are understanding the what of resampling.